Hey everyone, have you ever said to be or not to be without knowing why? Or called someone a green-eyed monster? Yeah, it's Shakespeare. Shakespeare is the real OG of love, drama, betrayal, and some one-liners, some seriously savage one-liners even. So let's break down some of the most iconic Shakespeare quote that still hit hard today. So no ruffled collars, just vibes. You need not be old-fashioned or super academic to get into Shakespeare. It can be fun, modern and relevant too. So let's understand or let's remember some of the iconic Shakespeare quotes that we use knowingly or unknowingly. All that glitters, not gold. From The Merchant of Venice. This world's a stage, all the men and women are merely players. From As You Like It. Love all, trust a few, do wrong to none. From All's Well That Ends Well. If music be the food of love, play on. From Twelfth Night. Last is, it is the most famous and iconic quote by Shakespeare, that is, what's in name? That which we call rose by any other name, it would smell as sweet. We say, what's in name? Naam mein kya rakha hai? Once we all have used this phrase or this one-liner of Shakespeare. So, next time when you face a storm, you fall in love or you question your path even, then remember one thing, that Shakespeare has already been there and he has some perfect words for you to guide. Do let me know in the comment section the last one-liner or the last quote of Shakespeare, that was what's in name. It is from which writing of Shakespeare? Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Follow for more.